80-year-old stuck the forehead and the whole body on it, and went like this. The guy just crashed onto the post because the body absolutely cannot move. It's like this. You won't believe how much power, because when you go like this, you don't feel power.
Right.
So he did not know he had power. I told him to touch, and then there's no other move, because we always move like this.
Right.
Now you imagine I hold you, right? Imagine this here, no move. Of the police will come because you will really hurt somebody. So bend, yeah, that's it. Can you, John, go do this? And you are here, stomach and back. Touch that. Yeah, okay. Now, can you put your foot here so it does not move? In here, in front. Because, just watch. When you move like this, can you see the bottom moves like that? So you put your foot here. And sit down. Just something there is. Yeah. Now, I grab you here. You relax your arms. When I hold you like this, you just go like this. Yeah. You guys should feel it. My whole back. It's like, now I was looking for a chiropractor. I don't know. It's a pure shock. It doesn't matter who does it. When you follow the rules, it's that bad. So now imagine that.
Right.
Do it to Ran. So imagine once, you draw它. So he doesn't have to do anything. You catch it here.
Right.
Totally remember, it's on a stick, no move. You only move, but you move your elbows. Straight shock, backward. Yeah.
That wasn't good.
Not relaxed enough. Power is here.
That's better.
Because when it's totally straight and parallel, the power is right on the spine. If you twist a little bit, the power goes off. Yeah. It's very strange. Imagine here, do it again, you see. See, there's a post, he hits his head, everything on the post. It's very scary. Yeah. So this time do it, the last one. When he starts moving, you intentionally use your chest to bump him. That bump is crazy because you are in the driver's seat. Yeah.
You okay? Yeah, that was good.
So imagine people who do not have this system, they are crashing all the time. It's crashing, right?